Hello friends, my name is Sumit and today we will be creating a Spring Boot application. For that, go to your Eclipse and go to the help button, and after going on help button, click on Eclipse Marketplace, and in Eclipse Marketplace just find Spring Tool Suite and hit on enter to search. See, I've already installed Spring Tool. I've already installed, so just install that on your Eclipse, and after that go to this page, that is Spring Quick Start for Spring Boot, and just copy this dependency for Maven. As we will be creating a Maven project, so I am copying this Maven, and if you are familiar with Gradle, then just go for the Gradle dependency, and I've copied that, copy it, and now what I will go, just go to the file and search for Maven project. See this one, and go to the next, and just provide the artifact ID as, name it as Spring Boot tutorial. Click on finish. As we will be having the same Spring Boot tutorial here, and go to the pom.xml file and provide the dependency which we have copied from here, which we have copied in the pom.xml file. And before this, I am showing you the libraries that are here. And now, as you can see, when I am removing this JUnit dependency, as we don't want it here, so when I'll paste it here, and when I click on save, see the jars are being downloaded, and it has been downloaded. So we have a sample test file already given by the Spring Boot application. We don't want that, so I am deleting this. Also, let's again go to this folder only, this page only of the Spring Boot, and we can have the sample hello world kind of Java class which is given in the tutorial of Spring Boot. So I'll simply, what I will do, I'll just paste it here, and I'll just remove this, and I'll write so I just simply written play Java through Spring Boot is called, and here control through request mapping of slash, I will just provide play Java, and my request, my default port is 8080 only. So this is the thing which we have made. We have made a Spring Boot application and provided controller class in which we had given a return as of string as play Java through Spring Boot. And now I will run this as Spring Boot application. I will click on run Spring Boot app, click on OK. As you can see through the console, the path for play Java Spring controller.home is mapped. So that is this has been mapped through play Java. So I will go to the Chrome, and here I will write localhost 8080 slash control Z slash play Java, and see Spring Boot through play Java has been called. So this was just a sample of Spring Boot application. I know we can do lots in the Spring Boot, but it was just to give you the overview in just a 5 minutes. Thank you for watching.